Alright guys, welcome back to Memory Zone. We doing a new video today. We doing another Try Not to Laugh because I had fun yesterday doing one, so we're gonna do it. I told you we was gonna do it and y'all didn't recommend nothing, so I chose what I wanted to choose and that's just the end of that. Alright, so today we're doing the that's what this shit is called. The Popeyes meme challenge, because obviously the new chicken sandwich has been coming out, so I guess they made memes about it. And I'm about to do a Try Not to Laugh. Just like yesterday, I got 2 tries, but this time I'm going straight in because yesterday was my actual trial run and I passed. Don't say I didn't pass. I passed that, alright? And now I only got 2 tries. That means if I laugh twice, I'm done. It's a wrap, but I'm not going to because I'm not, alright? So we finna hop into this and I'm already smiling. Listen, hold up. Alright, ready, here we go.
Truth is I'm tired.
There's 4 niggas walking up and it's just me. Now it's just 3. Now it's just 2.
Oh no.
Now it's just me.
We wanna burn this motherfucker down.
Come on, Boogie, let's burn this motherfucker down.
Yo, for real. This ain't Chik Fil, bro. No customer service over here. Anything over 1 is too much.
What you do, nigga? I want to beat your ass, nigga. What you want to do, nigga? Nigga, what you want to do, nigga?
Say you put me
on.
on.
Nigga, on my mama, nigga. You a bitch.
You a fan, nigga. You a fan.
Fuck.
You
Go get some chain back. Go get some chain back. Go get some chain back. Go get some chain back.
You stop wearing them fake
Go get some chain back.
Stop wearing them fake
Go get some chain back.
Stop wearing them
Go
fake
get some chain back.
I'm good.
Hey, look, when I
I've
see
seen
you,
those
Go get some
before, so
chain
I'm good.
back.
No.
Hey, yo, Sonny, what's up, man? Yo, Elgin, I forgot to tell you, man. We got a surprise guest for you.
Not you got served. Now you got served. Chill. Just cut for me, mommy. Yep. I really just showed my age right there. That's crazy. It was a good ass movie too. That part was so dope. Yeah, look at it. They still on moves. Them white boys can dance too. Oh.
You know why I'm here. 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 You know why I'm here.
I couldn't even get one, honestly. The one by
They
my
know
house
why I'm
sold
here.
out.
Y'all know why I'm here. They know why I'm here.
They know I ain't here. I'm doing
You
good,
know
by the
why
way.
I'm
I'm
here.
chilling.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You know what's going on
Okay.
again at Popeyes? Here's a hint. Need a bigger hint?
I wanna taste the rhythm of the street. I need something that's like it came straight from home. Something with a little something soul.
How they put the music in the back?
Love
Whoa! How they put the music in the back? Stop. Oh. Stop!
Is this your game?
Stop! Nope, that wasn't allowed. That wasn't allowed. Oh, stop. No. Is this your cake?
No.
That was good. That was a good one. You close. Love that movie. I'm your king now.
Nah, I'm your king.
We have to go now.
Get your ass out of here, KFC. Twitter. Yo, for real. It really was Twitter though. I don't do Shake Shack like that. Yo, I'm Dave. Oh.
Don't flinch, nigga, stand still. I said don't flinch.
Yo! It just rose up. Alright. Yo, that's one. That's one. Chill. Alright. No more. Yo. If I laugh again, nah, chill. This is one. I can laugh again. Hold up. No, I can't. This is good. This is a good one. Come on, man, please.
First up, what up, y'all? Second of all, I want to thank my whole Popeyes family on them fries, know what I'm saying? Like to tell Chik Fil, keep them guards up. We laughing at them. And one other thing I like to say, any chicken spot saying they the hardest and want to play their part and don't worry about and won't have to worry about
the type of nigga that be hitting people on top of the head like this.
Watch your videos, all for the record, drinking. Come to Popeyes.
I respect your little voiceover. Snoop.
This recorded message.
Sorry for the inconvenience, but we are all out of chicken and we are closed for the rest of the day. Thank you and have a blessed day.
One woman yelled back at the machine.
People have kids that they trying to feed for the special, and you mean to tell me that we can't feed our kids? Because y'all didn't order enough chicken. Y'all knew y'all was having this special almost 2 months ago.
For real.
And that's wrong.
But no one was listening. The Popeyes on Lake Avenue was closed by dinner time.
Are you kidding me?
I think that's bad because I'm sure hungry.
No chicken.
No chicken? Well, they just out of chicken.
Buddy.
I said I'm calling customer service now to see where there's another Popeyes at.
Yeah, they seem to be out of chicken today, so I'll just pick up a pizza. It's no big deal.
Get your ass up. Okay, we just got. What the? Hello? I'm confusion. I made it. That one, okay, listen. That one was a lot easier. Well, somewhat. Not really. There was a couple that almost had me. Those pictures at the end killed it for me. I wouldn't really feel that. But the baby boy one got me. And that freaking Black Panther one almost had me too. But nah, see, I'm strong with it, boy. I like these a lot still. So, I'm just saying, I passed. That's 2 for 2. Let's make it a 3 for 3. So if y'all got any challenges for me, send them to me, boy, because I'm the chosen. I am, like Corey Kent, I am the chosen. We finna do this with these challenges, all right? So y'all send me whatever y'all want, we gonna get it. If y'all don't send me nothing, I'm gonna find one for myself, all right? And we gonna hit it like that on top of the beat, bop, the boop, bop, beat. All right, listen, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Hold on a second. Alright, also make sure you subscribe. If it's red, that means you have not subscribed yet. That means you gotta do what? Make it gray. Hit it, I don't play. I'm not a rapper, but you finna see O'Shea. I don't know what that means, 8 bars. I'm here to play it. Listen, sorry about that. What? Make sure it's great. We like subscribe. Great subscribe buttons over here. Also, make sure you hit that bell. The bell lets you know when I upload a video. That way you can comment and like the video and show your boy some love. Go ahead and comment as well. Tell me what your favorite part was. Also, send me some challenges. Share this with your friends and everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm Maverick Zone. I'm about to be out. I can't get no Popeyes chicken, but maybe you can. But guess what? You can't get it right here. That means you gotta go out there and get it. You gotta leave to go get the Popeyes chicken. You can't get it here because I ain't got no chicken in here. All I got is anime posters and myself, my dignity. Not a lot of it, but I mean it's there. Chicken's out there, not here. I'm just saying. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I never left. You did. Bye.